Hello Enugu, hello O42. It's your girl Sandra Hills from Naira Triangle, and we are here for the biggest event in Southeast, the Southeast Food and Fashion Festival, and it's happening right here in IMT Campus 3, Enugu State. We are here to experience more fashion. Hello beautiful, how are you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you.
So how do you feel?
I feel happy. I was kind of sad when I heard that the venue was changed, but my sister pushed me here, and now I'm happy to be here.
All right, very well then. So, can you tell us between all the states in Southeast, I mean, the Enugu states, Abia states, Anambra, Imo, and Ebonyi, which of them have the kindest men?
I'm from Anambra and I'm married to an Enugu man, so I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Okay, I understand. Okay, you're from Anambra. Can you tell us what is happening here in your dialect?
Okay, ihe na-eme ebe a bụ na anyị pụtara iwe aṅụrị, jolly with in food and fashion IMT, and anyị pụtara ebe anyị iwe aṅụrị nnọọ. Anyị bịara ili nri, anyị bịara ịfụkwa omenala, anyị bịara ịfụ ihe niile a ga-eme ebe a. So obi dịkwa m ụtọ na m pụtara taa. Ekene dịrị Chukwu.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
Sorry, may we know you?
My name is Black Crystal. That's why I prefer to go by.
Just Black Coastal?
Yes, Black Crystal is fine.
Okay, so Black Coastal, what are you doing here today?
I came to have fun and I came to see food and fashion. Food meets fashion or food and fashion, whichever one. But yes, that's why I came here today.
Okay, so do you have anything that you're expecting to see the most?
To be honest, at this point, I'm really happy for her that she was able to pull this off because it wasn't easy. So I think this is already amazing. It's looking amazing already. So I don't think there's any other expectation. The fact that she's able to pull it off is a thumbs up to her. So that's the biggest flex.
Hi, may we know your name?
Okay, my name is Orazilike Dabelu.
Orazilike, where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Damn. Say damn.
Damn!
Okay, Orazilike, what are you here for?
I'm here for the Food and Fashion Festival.
Is there anyone special you're here to see?
Not really. I'm just here to catch the vibes and showcase myself.
Can you spin? Can you spin for the camera? Okay. You're actually looking so very stunning.
Thank you so much.
I must say. Okay, so can you tell us what you call egusi in Igbo?
Is it not egusi?
Egusi.
I don't know. It's egusi that I know.
Okay, in your village where you guys have delicacies.
Yes.
So what's the most the one that you like the most?
Egusi.
Egusi. Are you serious?
Very serious.
Are you serious? Can you tell me the one main ingredient in egusi?
Obey.
Obey. What? That's an
So if I'm correct, hold on. Let me just say salt and Maggi because that's a safe answer. There's salt and Maggi inside soup.
Okay, so are you presenting any brand with your outfit?
I'm actually not. I'm here representing myself.
Hi, good evening.
Okay, what's your name?
Okay, I'm Priester Michael.
What are you here for?
Okay, I'm here to showcase my talents. I'm here to showcase the world of fashion. Yeah.
Okay, so what are you wearing?
Okay, I'm wearing a dress from a particular collection from Vicky's collection. Yeah.
I must confess, you look good actually. So what's with the wig?
The wig? Just forget about the wig, please.
Okay, can you spin for my camera? Spin, turn around. Oh my god. So are you a fashion model?
Yeah, I'm a fashion model, yeah.
Okay, and you've been in this game or you just...
I've been in this game for a long time, yeah.
Hello beautiful people, may I know your names?
Yamaka. Oledu.
Where are you two from?
Enugu. Yeah, Enugu.
Precisely, where are you from?
Usuka. Hoji River.
Okay, so I'd like to know in your hometowns, I'm very sure you guys make so many sweet local delicacies, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Can you mention them?
Opa.
Just talk back. That's crazy. Just talk back.
For now.
So what about you?
Abacha.
Abacha. Wow, just abacha.
It's very, like the way they make it there is very nice.
It's very nice. How long have you been in the southeast?
Sir?
How long have you been in the southeast?
All my life.
All your life. What about you?
Since I was born, yeah.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
May we know your name, please?
Oh, my name is Didi.
Didi. Didi, where are you from?
Nigeria.
You're from Nigeria. Okay, Didi, can you speak for the camera, please?
Okay.
Please. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I must say, I love your outfit.
Thank you so much.
So, can you tell us, what are you wearing?
Oh, I'm wearing a choma, and my top is just high street fashion.
Okay, your hat? That's random.
Random hat. It was a gift actually.
Yeah, it blended well with your outfit. I must say. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. You?
How do you feel? I mean, generally, how do you feel?
I feel nervous. I feel shy. I don't know why. The crowd.
Okay, you don't have to be shy for anything. I'm guessing you came here for the contest.
Yeah. I came.
Okay, so can you tell us what are you wearing?
Just a casual outfit. Just casual outfit. Nothing personal. Nothing fashionable. Just dress to impress.
Okay, so your name?
Emmanuel Sugarmaker.
Emmanuel. Do you have like a brand name or something?
Emmy of PH.
Oh my goodness! Oh my Amy of PH. So tell us where are you from?
I'm from River State. River State.
From River State. Wow, that's impressive. You're beautiful lady. Oh, you're looking hot, and your outfit is giving.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Chelsea.
Chelsea. Is it like a brand name or a name your parents gave you?
Like the actual name my parents gave me.
Chelsea, and it suits you like mad.
My muscle.
Okay, sorry about that. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Anambra State.
Anambra State. Anambra State. Wow. Okay, can you tell me now what's going on here in your dialect?
I'm Biara. South.
Calm down.
With on the fashion.
Calm down. You can do
I'm
this.
Biara Omume. I Biara Omume Southeast with on fashion. Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you tell me between Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, Imo, and Anambra, if any husband comes from any of those states, who are you going to go to?
Anambra because they're richer, obviously. Yeah, Anambra.
So you will obviously go for the rich
Obviously.
and not for the kind-hearted.
No one gives a fuck, bro.
Oh my God.
No one cares. Definitely the rich.
Hello, gorgeous lady.
Hi.
You're actually so beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Ayo.
Ayo. AY. AY. Is it a comedian? AY. Okay. Between you and
My friends. Just a few of my friends.
that's what they call you, AY.
Yeah, AY.
So AY, are you a model?
No.
Do you plan on becoming one? Why?
No, I don't think it's really my calling like that. I don't think it's not my calling now. You know, there's some people that just have callings. I think my one is more into the medical field. Yeah.
So I see you're putting on denim, and your shoes are lit. Trust me, girl. Your earrings, everything is on fleek. Okay. Where are you from?
Anambra State.